Picture this. You've spent weeks creating what you're convinced is the next big thing in digital products. Your landing page looks like $1,000,000 and you're ready to hit that publish button, but then all of a sudden, nothing happens. Zero sales, zero hype. And the only feedback you get is from your wife saying it looks nice. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to save you from that nightmare. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes creators make when creating digital products and how to avoid them like a pro. Here's the thing. Digital products can be a gold mine for passive income, but only if you get them right. If you miss one crucial step, your product might gather dust in the corner of the internet. Stick around because I'm not just going to show you what not to do, but I'm also going to give you actionable tips to turn your ideas into a digital product that sells itself. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Mistake number one is skipping market research. You've got an amazing idea, great, but here's the problem. If nobody wants what you're selling, it doesn't matter how amazing it is. Market research isn't optional, it is a foundation to your success. An example, imagine creating for that and you're struggling to sell even one copy. Here's a tip. Use tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public to discover what people are already searching for. Also dive into Facebook groups, Reddit, and Quora to uncover real pain points in your niche. 2. Overcomplicating the product. Here's a little secret. Most successful digital products are simple. They into one ebook, of course, or you're overwhelming your audience and yourself. Example, instead of creating a course on everything you need to know about graphic design, start with something like how to create stunning Instagram templates in Canva. Test a beta version with a small group. Their feedback can help you refine the product and avoid overcomplicating it. Mistake number 3 is weak or no marketing plan. Let me say this loud and clear. The best digital products in the world won't sell if no one knows it exists. A strong marketing plan is just as important as the product itself. Here's a tip. Start building anticipation early. Use teasers, posts, Instagrams, TikTok, YouTube. You share behind the scene content or even pull your audience to involve them in creating the process. Think about it. Movie studios don't just release a film, they hype it up for months with trailers, posters, sneak peeks. Your digital product deserves the same treatment. Mistake 4, underpricing your product. Here's a trap many creators fall into: pricing their product at too low of fear of no one will buy it. But when your product is too cheap, it screams what? Low value. Research what similar products are selling for in your niche. Use tiered pricing. Offer a basic version at a lower price and a premium version with extra perks for higher paying customers. As an example, let's say you're selling a photograph book. The basic version could include an ebook while the premium includes video tutorials and preset downloads. Experience. Imagine this. Your customer buys your product, but the download link doesn't work, or the instructions are confusing. Not a great first impression, right? A bad experience can kill your sales pipeline like that. Pro tip, test the entire buying process yourself, or better yet, ask a friend or a beta tester to ensure that your product is easy to access, use, and understand. For example, platforms like Gumroad and Teachable simplify delivering a smooth user experience. Use them to ensure your customers get what they pay for without a hassle. Number 6, not updating or improving your product. The internet moves fast. I mean, really fast. And what's relevant today might be outdated tomorrow. If you're not keeping your product fresh, you're missing out on repeat customers and referrals. Here's a tip. Make updates as part of your marketing strategy. Announce new features, added chapters, or bonus content to attract new buyers. And re-engage past customers. Think of it like software updates. When your favorite app rolls out new features, you're more likely to keep using it and maybe even recommend it to others. Alrighty, now you've got the roadmap to avoid these digital product disasters. Remember, creating a digital product isn't just about what you're offering, it's about how you present marketing and maintaining it. So tell me, what's your next digital product idea? Drop it in the comments below. I love to hear about it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on creating a passive income. And let's turn those ideas into income. This is Scott. Peace out.